What makes you trust the detainees, sir, that they don't have their own personal agenda here?
Wala naman
Given
sila.
that they are serving
wala naman silang
sentences,
personal agenda, wala silang magagawa eh. Yung isa, yung iba dyan eh.
Are they asking for anything?
Life imprisonment, ano?
Are they asking for anything in return,
sir?
No, wala. Basta ang gusto lang nila makatulong. Naniniwala sila sa sinseridad ni President Duterte.
Sir,
Secretary, this is a day of reckoning for the Senator De Lima. Do you think that you have everything that it takes to pin her down?
I believe so, but you better listen na lang kasi ito, House investigation lang naman ito eh. This is not a preliminary investigation na ibigyan natin na talagang doon natin ilalahad yung mga ating ebidensya.
Sir, walang kapalit, sir. Walang kapalit to, sir, para sa kanila.
Walang kapalit.
Sir, basic question, even with their testimonies, tatanggalin mo yung mga kubol nila and all their special treatment?
Manood kayo dun sa presentation ng SAP. Natanggal na yung mga kubol na yan at isang kubol na lang ang natitira.
Para kanina yun, sir?
Wala, yung kubol na yun ay ginawang tirahan na rin ng mga preso. Kasi hindi katulad nung nakaraan, isang kubol pagkalaki-laki, isang preso lang nakatira. Si Peter ko lang, si JB Sebastian lang.
Thank you, sir.
This is to bring down the industry as well.
Yun ang gagawin
You
natin.
are confident the government can do that with the
Yes,
cooperation of these drug lords?
Kasi ngayon, according to them, to the inmates, mga 90% ng binaba ng drug trade sa NBP. At we hope to make it 100%. Kasi as long as there is one cell phone in the area, tuloy pa rin may nakakapag-transaction pa rin.
Okay, sir.